just save 30 seconds of it. We can.
Jude, you have the hiccups. You don't look amused at the hiccups, huh? These are Jude's first hiccups, February 18th at 1:30 a.m. And it's adorable.
For you.
For me.
And me. Not him. No, bud. Oh.